Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change original format on Windows 11. So if you decide to change or during traveling, or we move into another country and you want to adapt by change the region format on Windows 11. So you can click start, then you can click settings, then click time and languages, and click language and region. Here under the region option you can change country or region. Right now I moved to Indonesia, and this regional format, Windows and some apps format dates and time based on your regional format. So you can choose recommended or you can choose it manually. All is the English, but there are some country here that you want to add or Windows 11 provide for you. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.